Hey everybody, this is graphic designer Roberto Blake with another graphic design quick tip for you. If you're new to the channel, I do graphic design videos on Mondays and I do sporadic graphic design quick tips throughout the week, so make sure you're subscribed to get everything. So in this tip, I'm going to talk about non-design skills that graphic designers need in order to be successful. While it's great that you're a graphic designer and I think that quality work absolutely trumps everything else, there are some other skills aside from your ability to deliver amazing work that you'll have to utilize in order to be successful. Part of being a good graphic designer is being a good storyteller, but you can't limit that to the visual work that you're producing. You have to be able to have good oral and written communication skills. This is going to come across in your resume and interview, and this is the thing that gets graphic designers hung up and stuck to where they don't get hired or they don't progress in their career sometimes because they end up falling into that category of people who just push pixels. And that is not where you want to be. You want to be respected and you want to be brought to the table and brought to meetings, and you can't do that if you don't have great communication skills. So it might be worth considering putting in the extra effort to develop great writing skills, or even possibly to take public speaking or speech classes. As you might be able to tell, I actually excelled very much at public speaking and communication classes. I did very well in English, creative writing, etc. And these are things that I think you should explore if you really want to advance as a graphic designer and move up through the ranks in your profession, whether that be as an in-house designer, someone at an agency, or a freelancer. Communication skills are definitely going to help you, especially when it comes to pitching yourself and pitching work for your agency or delivering for your clients and needing to be able to communicate back and forth with them. You should also have some technical skills as a designer that go beyond just the applications you use like Photoshop and being able to use your operating system of choice, whether that's Mac or PC. Speaking of which, you should be able to use both. You might find yourself in a position as an in-house designer where you don't have your preference of choice of what computer you're using. They may not let you bring your own, and they may not have the one that you choose to work on. Having exposure to both Windows and Mac OS in terms of your technical skills and capabilities is going to diversify the places you can work and the people that you can work with dramatically, and you need to be able to walk in both worlds. So having those technical skills is important. Also, if you have a little bit of technical knowledge in terms of hardware to be able to do minor upgrades or repair work to your own computers, then that's going to save you a ton of money as a graphic designer. It's also going to lessen the chances of your work being destroyed or lost by faulty equipment, or you not being able to maintain the maintenance on that because you can't afford to, if you have the skills to do it yourself. So I highly recommend, in addition to your communication skills, that you step up your tech skills as a graphic designer. Learn about the tools that you're using and how to maintain and repair them as much as your ability allows for. Finally, you need social skills, and this is going to be huge for you because ultimately most people's success comes down to who they know, not what they know, sometimes not even what they can deliver. If you can deliver great work, that's amazing. But if you don't have access to people that need the type of work that you're doing or that you would like to do, you're going to be extremely limited in your capacity to succeed. So you need to have absolutely great social and networking skills. A lot of designers I know have been introverted and it's hurt them in their career, and your personality is your personality. But try as hard as you can to develop skills and become more socially savvy. Put yourself out there and get exposure. And if you can't do it in person, at least do it in terms of social media and being able to market yourself in that way, and learn how to sell yourself digitally if you don't feel like you can deliver on that in person. Well, I hope you guys learned a lot from this video. If you have questions, definitely leave that in the comment section below. I'll try to reply to as many of you as I can. Like this video if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out the other awesome content on the channel. As always, you guys, thanks so much for watching, and don't forget, create something awesome today.